Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Passport versus the Kia Sorento. We'll explore their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide which SUV best suits your lifestyle. Get ready for a detailed look at what makes each vehicle stand out, from engine options to cargo space and advanced safety technologies. Let's dive into the specifics of these popular mid-size SUVs. The Honda Passport comes standard with a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This setup allows for a confident driving experience and a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds. The Kia Sorento offers more engine variety, including a standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder with 191 horsepower, or a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing 281 horsepower. It also has hybrid and plug-in hybrid options for improved fuel efficiency. The Sorento's maximum towing capacity is 4,500 pounds with the X-Pro trim. Inside, the Honda Passport prioritizes spaciousness for 5 passengers across 2 rows, offering 114.9 cubic feet of passenger volume. It boasts up to 44 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, expanding to 83.8 cubic feet with seats folded. The Kia Sorento provides more seating flexibility with 3 rows, accommodating 6 or 7 passengers. Its cargo space is 12.6 cubic feet behind the third row, expanding to 75.5 cubic feet behind the first row. Both SUVs feature intuitive touchscreens with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Standard safety suites like Honda Sensing and Kia Drive Wise offer comprehensive driver assistance. When considering value, the Honda Passport appeals to those seeking ruggedness and a powerful V6 engine as standard. Its ground clearance of 8.3 inches and standard all-wheel drive enhance off-road readiness. The Kia Sorento, with its diverse engine lineup including hybrids, often provides better fuel economy. It also offers the practicality of 3-row seating, which is a significant advantage for larger families. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize 2-row spaciousness and off-road prowess, or 3-row versatility and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.